Hello everyone. The Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema has previously accused the singer Khumalo of allegedly knowing the individuals responsible for the tragic death of former Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. But after the EFF's 10th anniversary celebrations at FNB Stadium, Khumalo publicly praised Julius Malema for his courage and strength in building the EFF. Kelly made it very clear that she was impressed by Julius Malema even though he had previously made some serious allegations against her. Khumalo said that Julius deserves applause for building the EFF regardless of what he previously said about her. Khumalo tweeted, "I truly don't care what your thoughts of me are. The fact remains that it takes courage and strength to build what Malema built, and that deserves applause even from me." The Senzo Meyiwa trial continues, and a lot was discovered last week as the telephone data specialist said a SIM swap on Meyiwa's matter was done in October 2014 and linked the same number to having contact with a number registered under Kelly. The data specialist also testified that the singer had also been having cell phone conversations with accused number 5 Fiso Ntuli months before the murder of Meyiwa, suggesting that some of the call records might have been deleted after the shooting. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.